Hello, my friends. Do you love Flip-Its? Well, guess what? I have a fun one to share with you today. But first, let's jump in and look at all of the awesome items we are releasing. Now, today is what we call, it's the 25th of every month, we call Ketchup Day. Now, I don't mean the ketchup that you put on your hot dogs. I mean ketchup as in, there are some things, there are items Stephanie Bernard, that's me, has designed, and they've been out in the world, but they're not currently on our website. And they haven't been for 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 years, things like that, right? So for example, items that I used to design for Sizzix, that Sizzix used to sell, I own the design, so now I'm putting them on my website under my name. Or items that I took on HSN years ago, now finally you're getting on our website. Or items that are left over from kits that we've had in the past that we have a couple extra of, now they can go on our website. So we have a lot to talk about today. Are you ready? The first one is, dun, 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 not the one I showed you because I'm going to wait for that one. This is the A1 Swiper card. Now, the A1 Swiper card, if you remember, if you were in my card kit at the time, you already got this, so I want you to check your stash first. But if you didn't get this one, this is what I also call the wiper card. Well, no, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's supposed to be called the wiper card, but I call it the swiper card, so I changed the name to this one on the swiper. This is the A1 version of the swiper card. So now that is available on our website if you didn't get it the first time around in the kit. Another item that is now on our website, and I know it doesn't look like much, but go to the website and look, it is the die set Brighter Days. So this was in one of our card kits at one time, and now it's available. Also in one of our card kits at one time, and this one's a good one. This one's a good one, is this fun cupcake. So at one time, and I don't know when, a long time ago, we had this in one of our card kits, and now it's available. And let me just tell you, I have a sample of that one. Look at how adorable that cupcake is. You've seen our design team use it. If you didn't have it, you weren't able to get it, now you can. And look at how fun that is. The frosting is like 2 different colors. I love it, so fun. That's using our heart gatefold card. So awesome. Now, also on our website now are 2 items that I took on HSN a long time ago. This is called Christian for HSN 1, and it's a lot of stamp words that say congratulations on your wedding day, so these are all separate words, okay? So you get to make up your own. Congratulations on your baby's christening. Congratulations on your first communion. Congratulations on your confirmation. You are a child of God. Congratulations on your baptism. May God bless you. All glory to God. All different items or different words that you would want to use. Just kind of, they're Christian words. Congratulations on your, congratulations, you are a child of God. Lots of different options on this one. This is one of those ones you're going to keep and up near the front. You're going to use this one a lot if you don't already have it. Perhaps you bought it on HSN. I want you to go check first. Next is another item that I took on HSN a long time ago. I think I figured out it was like 6 years ago, maybe 7. And every once in a while I go to grab these dies when I do a demonstration on live on our crafting corner. And I go, oh, they can't buy this one. So I got it on the website. This is 4 words. It is thank you, happy birthday, congrats, and just because. Now, these are so big, large, and in charge. I had to add an extra card here because they didn't all fit on this one card. So they're going to give you a good sample of those words, which is really nice because sometimes you don't really have something to decorate your card with, but you want, so the words, if they're bigger, it helps, right? So these are the words you're going to grab. These are called the Everyday Greetings from HSN. Last but not least is the one I showed you in the beginning. You know I love my Flip-It cards and my fold-it cards. But look at how fun this one is. So this one has happy birthday. I'm sorry, happy birthday. Whoa! Happy birthday. It also has, that's optional. You could also say you and me in that oval. You can have the words hooray, lots of flowers, and a scalloped oval. And let me show you some samples that I have of this one because look how cute that is. Happy birthday, hooray, let's celebrate. So you are getting that oval, that scalloped oval in here. That's rounded corners. If you do not have this one, this is a really awesome one. Happy birthday. And it is taped for, you guys don't realize we have to like sometimes tape them closed for photos. Here we go. Happy birthday, sending hugs, hooray, using our candle, stamps, and dies. Here's a cute one using our little gnome. Look how cute he is. Happy birthday. Now, you might have this one when I released it under the Sizzix brand. If you do, you cannot buy this one because you already have it, right? Don't buy it again. Don't buy it again. But if you missed it all those years ago, now's your chance to get it. Here it is. Happy birthday. 10th. Oh, fun. Somebody's turning 10. Love the rounded corners. So it's rounded corners with the oval. So it's all about the curves in this one, right? Love it. Now, club members, you know the deal. Yes, you're getting your club discount on all of these items. Some might even be on flash the first 24 hours they're on our website. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. If you are watching this on YouTube, do me a quick little favor. Not only do I want you to give me the thumbs up or the heart or whatever's there, I also want you to click that subscribe button right there. Click also the little bell. That will notify you every time we go live, we do go live, or when we release a new video. So make sure you subscribe to YouTube. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go to our YouTube channel and then click that subscribe button, okay? Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.